Okay, remember in our perform good receive topic, I explained to you how to open the posting periods and so forth. I decided to create a separate topic just to explain a bit more about posting periods. Posting periods. Posting periods are required to actually control the postings in material management. So this does not in a way it corresponds to the financial period that we have in the financial accounting. What I mean by this is that it will correspond directly to the financial posting periods that we have, which is for Sun Limited we are using posting period variant 1000. So in MM it has got a direct relationship with the posting period that we have defined in the financial accounting here, whether it's one posting period 1 for 2009, posting period 2 for 2009 as well, and so forth. But the only thing is that the opening and closing of posting periods for material management is done using these two T codes MMRV to check the currently open period, which is current period is January 2009, and the previous period which was closed earlier was this, and this is some extended information, the last period in previous year. Okay, in this case these two are the same. So but for example, if this is pointing to March 2009, this will point to February 2009, and that time this will serve as a useful information that the last period in the previous year, which is 2008, is 12. This will remain unchanged. Okay, this is some just an extended information, and this tells that we can actually post to previous period as in 12 2008. Okay, the previous period is 12 2008. At any point of time there can be only one period which can be open, which is whatever it may be that is set here, but using this checkbox here we can allow the system to post two periods, which is the current period and also the last close period. If I disable this checkbox, I will be able to post only in this period 2001 2009. Okay, since this is activated, I will be able to post to this period and this period. Let me just prove that to you now. I'm going to do a MIGO for this same purchase order, and the posting period that I'm going to use is 12 2011. Okay, let me make it 11 first. 11 2008, and see if the system will allow me to do that. Press enter. Okay, where I just click quantity. Okay, it is just loading the balance quantity because earlier we have done a receipt for 6, so the balance 4 is automatically loaded. You can change that. I'm not going to post it. I'm not just going to check here. It will not allow posting, only possible in periods 2009 and 2008. 2009 January and 2008 12, which corresponds to these two periods. What happens if I disallow the posting period for previous year? I'm going to save this function carried out. Let me cancel this. Let me go back, refresh, do a MIGO again, pull out the purchase order again and change it to period 11 2008 and check. Oh, you have not flagged any items as okay. I'm going to flag this. Okay, check. Posting only possible in 2009 and 2008. Okay, this is because I have not. There's one more place where we have to disallow the posting to previous period. Alright, let me just check this. There's one more place where you have to disallow over here. Logistics General. Basic settings, maintain company codes for material management. Go to company code Sun, and let us disallow. No, this once you disallow that, it automatically disallows here as well, but I don't know why it is still showing the 2000 December. We shouldn't show this. Let me change this to 12 and see if it really allows the posting to 12. Yep, you see, this is the thing, post to current period 2009 January. So it doesn't allow the posting to 12 2008, although the message says that this can be posted as well, but in effect, in actual case, maybe that message, the earlier message is, this message is not right, because it doesn't allow me to post to December 2008 because I've already disallowed the back posting here. Where is it? MMRV. Since I've disallowed back posting, it will not allow. So that message, this message is wrong, because when I change this to 12, it doesn't allow me indeed. Okay, if I change this to allow posting to previous period, see what happens. I do a check, see, it allows me to post. The message has cleared, but this is some other message. Okay, don't bother about that. This is telling that the 2008 is not set up in our controlling area, so this is some other message. Let me show you what this message means, just for your knowledge. What it's saying is that the controlling area that I've created is only up to 2009 and onwards, so 2008 is not included. See this, 2009 to onwards, so 2008 is not included in here. That's what this message says, because I have entered here 2008. But the earlier message, MM posting period, is generally allowed for back posting, because I have already allowed posting to previous period. Okay, now close this. Okay, there's one more thing I need to show you. If you want to disallow back posting generally, you can also check this. Alright, so how do I open and close a period? Okay, that's what I'm going to show you now. Go to MMPB, choose Sun, just enter the next period, not the current period which is open. The current period which is open is January. MMRV. See, the current period which is open is January 2009. If you want to close January 2009, you cannot enter 2009 here and January. It will not allow. Let me show you. You will see incorrect period in control record. Okay, no conversion, which means the period is not closed, because you cannot enter the current period. See, this is not closed yet because of the error. You need to enter the next period which you want to open, so that the previous period will be automatically closed in this way. Okay, so I'm not going to close it because I need the January 2009 remain open. Just bear in mind that when you execute this, it will be closed. Okay, right. So when you want to close January 2009, make sure that all the postings related to material management for January 2009 has been posted. You may have to check with the material management users, MM users. Only then you can close, so that you can prevent any further postings to that particular closed period. so that you can do your financial preparations. Okay. Okay, that's the end of this topic.